Professor. My name is Nurul Hanis from Group E. Would like to present our group project. So for this project, we do a fire alarm system which can detect temperature and flames. So based on the instructions of the project on ULearn, we have to use two sensors. So here we have LM35 sensor which can sense temperature and light sensor that represents the existing of flames in this system. Next instruction is to use at least one interrupt technique. So here we use a push button to apply the interrupt in the system. In the coding, we use INTF, which stands for external interrupt flag. If INTF equals to 1, means the interrupt occur, the LCD will display error and all the devices will turn off and the yellow LED will turn on. And lastly, we have to use at least one timer module in the system. So here we apply timer 0 module in our code. So let me try to. So here we can see that the LED green will blink, indicating that the system is turned on. So here we can see that the temperature is 28 degrees Celsius. So the temperature will be displayed on LCD display, and all the devices will remain off. So here, if I try to increase the temperature to above 30 but below 40 degrees Celsius, so we can see here the fan 1 is on, LED red 1 is on, and the LCD will display fan 1 is on with the temperature. Here, if I try to increase the temperature above 40 degrees Celsius, then the LCD will display too hot with the temperature, and then the emergency fan and the emergency LED will turn on. For the light sensor, if the torch is nearing the sensor, the system will detect the flame and buzzer will turn on. And this is the interrupt technique that has been applied into our system. So if we push the button, then the LCD will display error and the yellow LED will turn on and all other devices will turn off. That's all from Group E. Thank you, sir.